Hi, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean your CPAP in either 15 minutes or in 15 seconds. So let's start with the 15-minute procedure. That one is simply, you're probably familiar with it already. You need to take your CPAP mask, hose, and water reservoir and clean all of that with some warm soapy water in the sink. I recommend Dawn dish detergent if you're going to use the sink. But clean it with warm soapy water, much like you would wash dishes, making sure that the soapy water goes all the way through all of the CPAP tubing, and wash everything really, really well and rinse everything very, very thoroughly, and then let everything just air dry. So that procedure is going to take you about 15 minutes roughly, and this procedure over here will take you just 15 seconds. So basically, when I say 15 seconds, I mean the part that you do is about 15 seconds. It still takes more time, but you know, the 15 seconds is your part, the rest of it is Sleep8. So let's test this out. Let's see, can we get this CPAP equipment clean in 15 seconds? So I'm just gonna do my own countdown clock for you as we go. Ready, set, go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5, and boom, there you go. We did it. 15 seconds. All right, so that's really everything you have to do. Basically, put all of your CPAP supplies into the bag, seal the bag, connect the Sleep8, and press the one button. And at that point, the Sleep8 is going to begin to create the activated oxygen, which goes through your CPAP hose and through your CPAP mask and cleans everything very, very thoroughly. Let me back up a little bit because there's one important thing I want to show you. Since you're taking the time to watch this video, I want to make sure that you really understand one little thing about how to do this. When you're putting the hose into the bag, it's super important, two things. You notice that I do have my CPAP mask connected to the hose. That's good. And then next, you want to make sure that the CPAP hose is actually connected on the inside of the bag to this little adapter that's on the inside of the bag. So you connect your hose on the inside there, push that in, get everything in there, and then finally at the end, after you have all of your parts in there for cleaning, and make sure the bag is sealed up all the way, the same adapter is on the outside of the bag. And whenever you connect it up, just make sure there's a blue dot here, and then on the top of the Sleep8, there's a blue dot right there. And just connect them both where the blue dots are on the top. And then finally, like I said, just hit the one button, the machine begins to run. I'm at 60 minutes to do all of the cleaning, and then you let it set in the bag for another 60 minutes. So about 2 hours roughly. But like I said, your part is only roughly 15 seconds. So 15 minutes over in the sink, or 15 seconds right here, it's your choice. I'm Chris again with AffinityHM.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the video so more people can see it. And definitely please subscribe to our channel and hit that gray bell notification so that you see all of our videos. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.